Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Synthesia login issues, account and video access errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with Synthesia, follow these steps to resolve your account and video access errors. First, verify that you are entering the correct email address and password. Check for any spelling mistakes or capitalizations in your credentials. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions in the email you received to reset your password. Once you have successfully reset your password, try logging in again. If you are still unable to access your account, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and locate the Privacy or Browsing Data section. Select the option to clear browsing data, ensuring you choose cache and cookies. After clearing, close your browser completely and then reopen it. Navigate back to the Synthesia login page and attempt to log in again. If the issue persists, try accessing your account from a different web browser or device. Sometimes, login issues can arise from a browser extension or add-on, so you may want to disable these temporarily. If you continue to face errors, ensure that your internet connection is stable and try again. It may also help to check for any ongoing maintenance notifications on the Synthesia website. If none of these steps resolve the issue, reach out to Synthesia's customer support for further assistance. Provide them with as much detail as possible regarding the error messages you are encountering. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Synthesia login issues efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.